Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these very easy buttons. So let's get started. To make these easy buttons, I'm working with Lily's Sugar and Cream and a 4.5mm crochet hook. I post crochet videos on Tuesday and Friday and other videos in between. You can slow down your videos to a very slow speed by clicking on the gear icon below the video. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns there, and many of them are free, or on my Etsy site. Hectanuka Patterns is my name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns there. Start with a slip knot. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join in the first stitch, and that will form a ring. Carry the yarn end along the outside of the ring. Chain 1. Work 8 single crochet in the ring. To make a single crochet, insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn, pull it through both loops on the hook. So that's 2. I'll do 6 more. Okay, that's a total of 8 single crochet. Slip stitch to join in the first single crochet. And now you can pull that yarn end and close up the center and fasten off. Insert the hook in any stitch and pick up a new color and pull it through. Take one stitch with both the yarn end and the working yarn just to lock it in place. Chain 1. Single crochet in that same stitch, and that will be the equivalent of 2. In every stitch all the way around, work 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Go to the next stitch, 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Repeat all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the first single crochet and fasten off. Attach the hook in any stitch and pull in another color. Take one stitch with both the yarn end and the working yarn. Chain 1. 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 and 2. 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 2, 1, 2, 1, all the way around. So 2 and 1. All the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the first single crochet, like that. Chain 1. Decrease every second stitch. To decrease with a single crochet, insert the hook into the first stitch and just leave that loop on the hook. Insert into the next stitch and pull up. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Pick up the yarn, pull it through all 3. You're going to do that all the way around. Pull up a loop, into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pick up the yarn, pull it through all 3. You're going to repeat that all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around, and that has curled the work, and I tucked all my yarn ends into that cavity. So now I'm just going to repeat that decrease one more time, and I'm going to decrease all the way around again by pulling up the yarn in one stitch, pull up the next stitch. You have 3 loops on the hook, pick up the yarn and pull it through all 3. So I'm going to do that all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around and I have this small little opening. Now I'm going to fasten off. And I've left a fairly long yarn end. And now I have a cotton ball. And I'm going to stuff the cavity. Thread the yarn end into a needle. And I'm going to weave through I'm going to pull that to tighten it up. Take a few stitches to secure it. And then you can use the yarn end to sew your button onto your garment. And there's the finished button. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.